So we'll be studying about types of correlation. So depending upon the situation, correlation can be of two types: positive correlation and it could be negative. Fine. So depending upon the situation, correlation can be classified into two categories, or you could say it can be divided into two categories: positive correlation and negative correlation. So children, what is positive correlation? So if we talk about suppose any two variables are given to us. Okay, two variables are given to us, and what is you could say the relationship between them. If suppose one is increasing, then other is also increasing, and if one is decreasing, then other is also decreasing. So in positive correlation, two variables, suppose x and y variables are given to us. Okay, when x value of x variable is increasing, then value of y variable will also increase, and if value of x variable is decreasing, then value of y variable will also decrease. Okay, so you could say ki there is what type of movement in the variables. When one increases, the other also increases, and one decreases, the other also decreases. So such a you could say ki relationship between both the variables can be said as positive correlation. So example of this, if suppose we x and y, so x variable x is 10, okay, and then y, if we talk about, it is 100. Then if variable x becomes 20, variable y also becomes 200, or you could say ki increase by the similar difference, increase by the similar difference. Say suppose 150, okay, then it becomes 30, and this becomes say 200, okay, then 40, then it becomes 250. So you could say ki the difference over here, every time the increase is by 10, 10 and 10 over here. And if we move to the y variable, what is the increase? Okay, increase 100 and 150, 50 का increase हुआ, then 150 to 200 again 50, and 200 to 250 again 50. So you could say कि every time the increase is same in the variables. Okay, so if x is increasing by 10, then the next variable is also increasing by 10 on x side, then third is also increasing by 10, fourth is also increasing by 10, and y variable 100 to 150 increase 50 का हुआ, then 150 to 250 का increase हुआ again. So this side also the similar increase can be seen. Okay, so when this type of increase, or you could say ki is there, this type of correlation, and both these products are related to each other, so this type of relationship can be called as positive correlation. So children, if we talk about negative correlation, so what is the relationship between the variables given to us? So if x and y variables, they both are related to each other. So in this case, when x is increasing, say 1, 2, 3, okay, this variable x, this variable y will decrease. Okay, this variable y will decrease. Say 500, then 400 suppose, and say it could be 300 now. So this side x variable is increasing by 1 every time. Okay, and this side the variable is also what, it is decreasing. So there you could see ki there is rise in this variable and there is fall in this variable. So this type of relationship, when one variable shows increase and the other variable show decrease, this type of correlationship is called negative correlationship. So what is the relationship between them? It will be classified as negative correlation.